Can't see a damn thing. Hello. Hi. Then let me know. Hello.
Hello, we're like really funny and
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I hope everyone's doing really well in this current situation. I hope you're all doing good. I hope you're all staying sane. It's currently a beautiful Tuesday morning. So I thought we'd try something a bit different on this channel. Something I've never done before is making my own canvas for my art. So I thought, you know, I'd give it a go. I've seen a few videos and I thought, you know what, I'll give that a go myself. If you're interested in either creating your own canvases or just want to watch me fail at making my own canvases, then stick around, tag along, and we'll get through this together. Let's get going then. Okie dokie then. Hello, I have managed to change your angle. Hopefully you'll see this a bit better. There was an awful shadow inside, so we're outside. Can you see this? This canvas frame used to have that on it. So I just pulled it off because I hated it. I hated it. Alright, for your frame, some canvas roll, a pair of scissors, a hammer, some snips, and a packet of nails. It's windy today. If you've ever used canvas roll before, let me know, because I have never used it before. Hello there, it's VoiceOver Tierney. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut down your canvas roll. Here I started using the frame, but then I decided to use the original canvas from the frame itself, just to sort of get an accurate size. And because I am a perfectionist, I also wanted to make sure that my edges were not going to overhang the edge of the frame at the back, even though it is the back of the frame. And you are not going to see it. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to try and stretch that canvas. So I put in some nails just to sort of give some anchor points, just to help me to stretch the canvas over the frame. I then also decided to have a quick look at the corners and how they had folded them, because they'd folded them really neatly, and I think my first corner worked out quite well, and then after that they just started going downhill. So I don't think I sort of thought about the corners before I started. Maybe I should have, but they look okay. They're just not as square and neat as I had originally wanted them. You're also going to want to keep pulling quite tight on the canvas as you build your corners there. Just like mine is definitely too loose. It's going to need an extra stretch and possibly some extra nails. So as you can see, just sorting out my corners and then making sure that that's tight. So then with the snips, you probably would want to wear goggles, but my nails were slightly too long, so I had to trim them off a little bit there. As you can see, this became harder and harder the more nails I started putting in, because I was unable to actually do that opening up where I opened up the canvas to trim them. So what I eventually ended up doing was trimming the actual nail first, making a hole with my original nail, with like a normal nail, and then taking my trimmed nail and sort of knocking the trimmed nail into the pre-made hole. I'll show a clip of that here now. As you can see, I make a hole, trim the next nail, and then knock the trim nail through, and that prevented, because the nails started going through my canvas and I didn't want them to go through my canvas. So the whole way round, you just want to make sure that you're keeping that canvas really, really tight. Obviously you can go back and tighten it again with frame, the frame tighteners, like what's already kind of in the frame already there, you can see in the corners. If you are going to give this a go, please be careful with nails and hammers and snips. We do not want any accidents. So yeah, back to me on camera. Goodbye for now. All done. Not the neatest, but there we go. One re-canvassed canvas. So that is the finished canvas with frame. Obviously it's my first time ever doing it, so there probably are a few areas where I could probably pull it tighter and might put in a few more canvas stretches in, but ultimately I'm quite happy with that. Yeah. Now I'm fully aware that not everyone will have a canvas frame, so I'm going to try chopping up a cardboard box and seeing where that goes. So ultimately your section of cardboard that you have will be your frame, and then you'll just glue or stick, or we'll see where this goes. So for this one I have brought you back outside, as it does require using glue, and the only glue I've got is well, this extra strong all-purpose adhesive, and it really smells and I don't want to get it on the carpet, so yeah. So you're going to need your piece of the cardboard, your canvas roll, pair of scissors, and your glue, or maybe a few pieces of cardboard to spread your glue if you don't have a spreader, which I don't. So it's voiceover Tini once again. So for this project it was really, really simple. I just took my piece of cardboard, I then trimmed my canvas roll, and I glued my piece of cardboard down onto my canvas roll, and then for the corners I simply trimmed a little square just to help me easily fold it over the edges. So you'll see here I'm just trimming up the corners. It makes it like this little cross shape, just like that. And then you take the glue again, and then you literally fold the edges over back onto itself. Quite easily done. Very easy little project. And the canvases actually came out really, really nicely. And obviously if you don't have any canvas roll, you can simply use white paper as well, a large roll of white paper, or just large white paper in general. You just have to be aware that the paper, like depending on the paper that you use, it probably won't be able to absorb a lot of water. These canvases anyway, they're not really designed to absorb a lot of water, so that you wouldn't be able to really use them for something like watercolour. But ultimately as well, if you don't have any paper to wrap around your cardboard, you can literally take some white gesso or some white acrylic paint, or even if you wanted wall paint, that can be easily used as well. Just take a large brush, just paint the cardboard white, and then you've got a fresh white canvas. Easy to make. Now I really quite like the cardboard as a nice textured background anyway. I might just chop up another cardboard box and use that just for some art. So with the corner pieces, I'm thinking I might use those for something else because I don't want to waste the canvas, as it wasn't expensive canvas, but I don't really want to waste the canvas roll that I do have, the rest that I do have. So I'll probably find something to use them for. Please let me know if you're going to try this, or if you already have tried this before. I just wanted to give it a go because I've never made my own canvases before, and I just thought it would be a bit of fun. I will lend you back to Tierney on the camera. So bye for now. You under mummies? You under my tripod? So we're back inside now. I tried to finish off all of those cardboard bits, but I kind of ran out of canvas. But I'm not going to put these to waste. I'm going to figure out what I can do with these bits. So all the little bits there. I'm gonna see what. So as you can see, I've got my 3 canvas boards. If you plan on making these, I have read that they are not very waterproof. So a minimal amount of water when painting on them. And then we've also got my bits of nail just falling off in my face. Then we've also got our canvas that we made with the frame. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how they turned out, to be honest. I'm now happy that I've got more canvases to paint, because I have been painting on all my canvases and I felt like I needed a few more. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah. If you're at all interested in any of my artwork, check me out over on Instagram, and also I'm on Facebook as well. So if you're interested in any of the art pieces, which I create, take a look on there. I'll drop links down in the description below for you. If you're interested in trying any of the things that I've tried out today, let me know how you get on down in the comments below. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit that like button, and I will see you all in the next video. Cheers for watching, guys. Bye! And then, yeah, you're left with quite a bit to tidy up. So, that's what I'll be doing for the next few minutes. Our work is fun. Stalk a cat.